When we need to tie liners on a trash can, we do what we call a twist and tuck. Your trash cans are never to be set up on any desks or other pieces of furniture. So I'll show you. You can lean it into you, and we're going to take, and you're going to twist, make a ponytail, and twist that ponytail a couple, 2-3 times, and then we're going to tuck that twist up underneath the edge of the liner. Sometimes it may be challenging to do this upside down, so you could also squat in front of it and be able to do a twist and a tuck that way.